Welcome to my superfood series. Today we will learn about juicy mango. In a world filled with diverse and delightful fruits, one stands out for its incredible taste, vibrant colors, and rich history. Today, we explore the fascinating journey of the mango, uncovering its ancient roots and the myriad of health benefits it brings to our lives. Join me as we embark on a journey through time to uncover the fascinating history and remarkable health benefits of the king of fruits, the mango. Our journey begins in ancient Southeast Asia, where the mango's story unfolds. Believed to have originated in the Indian subcontinent around 4,000 years ago, the mango quickly spread its roots across the world. Here, the blooming mango tree, known as Mangifera indica, thrived and captivated the palates of ancient civilizations. From the majestic palaces of India's Mughal emperors to the ancient ruins of Cambodia's Angkor Wat, the mango's presence is intertwined with legends and tales of royalty. As the trade routes expanded, so did the popularity of mangoes. Traders carried the succulent fruit across oceans, introducing it to civilizations far and wide. From Persia to China, the mango captivated the palates of kings and emperors, who cherished its luscious taste and used it to bestow great honors upon their guests. The mango quickly spread across the globe, embraced by various cultures for its extraordinary flavor and versatility. From the Indian subcontinent to Persia, from Africa to the Americas, the mango became a symbol of abundance and delight. What makes the mango so special? Beyond its delicious taste, this fruit boasts a multitude of health benefits that have been celebrated for centuries. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, mangoes fortified the immune system, aiding in the prevention of common illnesses. The fruit's abundant dietary fiber promoted healthy digestion, while its potassium content supported heart health. Mangoes also contain antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage and aging. Mangoes are also packed with antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and polyphenols. These powerful compounds help fight oxidative stress and protect against chronic diseases. Recent studies suggest that mangoes possess anti-inflammatory properties, making them a valuable asset in the fight against chronic diseases such as arthritis and asthma. Mangoes are an excellent source of natural antioxidants, such as mangiferin and quercetin. They prevent growth of certain cancer cells. Incorporating mangoes into your diet can contribute to overall well-being and a healthier lifestyle. Different mango varieties. There are more than 1,000 different mango varieties worldwide. Some popular mango varieties include Alfonso, Kensington Pride, also known as Bowen, Tommy Atkins, Kent, Keat, Hayden, Ataulfo, also known as champagne or honey mango, and Manila. Beyond their nutritional value, mangoes also fuel our active lives. Packed with natural sugars and electrolytes, mangoes serve as a refreshing source of energy for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The sweet aroma and tropical essence of mangoes have a calming effect on the mind and body. Incorporating mangoes into your diet can bring a sense of joy and tranquility. The versatility of mangoes in the kitchen is truly remarkable. Please write in the comments below, how do you enjoy your mango? You can enjoy them fresh, in salads, smoothies, or as a topping for cakes. Mangoes are great on cheesecakes and ice cream. If you enjoying my video so far, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Mangoes add a burst of tropical flavor to any dish. Mango banana ice cream. Delicious. Recipe: ingredients: 1 large mango peeled and sliced, 2 bananas peeled and sliced, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Directions: freeze sliced bananas in a freezer for 5 hours. In a blender, mix and blend all ingredients. Pour into popsicle forms and freeze it for 4 hours. Your ice cream is ready to enjoy. So next time you savor the taste of a ripe, juicy mango, remember that you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit, but also connecting with a rich history and reaping the incredible health benefits it offers. As we conclude our journey through time and health, let us celebrate the remarkable mango. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.